There's all different kinds of needle combinations that we can use, different acupuncture points. That's part of the diagnostic process that, there's a lot of education behind it. There's a whole diagnostic process behind it that makes it different than some people are more familiar with, like dry needling, or things like that, that physical therapists do, or that chiropractors do, but that's more purely for pain. And there's not as much of a whole diagnostic process of the whole person's system. Whereas an acupuncturist has the training to actually evaluate you, diagnose you, and do treatments based off of where they feel things are out of alignment and bring you back into balance in a deeper, longer lasting way than simply like, oh, I'm going to relieve the pain out of this muscle. Now, an acupuncturist can do that too, of course. But what I love about the holistic side is that we don't have to separate. It's like, okay, we can treat your pain and we can treat your sleep and we can treat your gut issues and we can treat the fatigue and we can treat anything else that's going on at the same time. And then there are different tools such as Moxibustion is an herb that is burned that's warming, that replenishes the yang energy. And so in Chinese medicine, there's the concept of yin and yang. Yin is more the physical substance of our body, and that can be depleted again due to like poor diet, not eating enough, not eating nutrient dense food enough, not absorbing it properly, or not getting enough sleep and kind of like running through our reserves. And that often will show up on the tongue, and we would call that a yin deficiency situation. It's often treated with dietary recommendations and herbal medicine.